chismis. We are now in the afternoon session of our day 3 closing ceremony. I'm with RE, Faye, and then Dulce and Jul. So last day na and last event na sa among municipal meet, hip-hop competition. Hip-hop dance competition and let's go interview some contestants sa hip-hop. Dali. Let's go! Asa man ta mag-interview? Dali! Mag-interview tabi! From MDC, hala! Nunaga!
Hindi, wow.
Bro, ako guunguan ni! Ay, tara! Pwede ka na mo interviewon! Interviewon ka na mo! Interviewon mo na mo! So, saan mo yung na-feel about sa competition karon?
Cool ba, ma'am? Happy na gihapon! Wala ta! Enjoy lang na mo!
Yeah, congrats! That's from Vito National High School. Ay, hi, excuse me, pwede mo na mo interviewon? They are from Lipata National High School. Ano feel sa competition karon?
First, it was...
You're so pretty.
At first, it was so nervous because when we look sa mga enemies na mo, they look so tough. And when we look so baby-faced and feminine, so...
Sana all.
All we had in our mind was just like to laban lang kung unsa jud makaya. So, when we perform, na-enjoy na jud namo ang show, na-enjoy na jud namo ang dance floor. So, at the end, we're still grateful for how things ended, for how turned out, we're still grateful nga. Represent ka pa mo school and we're proud of it.
Yay! Thank you so much, Lipata National High School. Congratulations! Ha? Ilang president ba? Tara! Ang president sa Lai. How do you feel man sa competition karon?
Excuse na sa kong tingog. Well, obvious naman sa competition karon. Well, wala ko ikasulti kundi it's a great experience yun. Well, last year na dyan ako as a Tulaynians. Last year na ako nga mo represent sa Tulay. So, ako dyan ka-expect nga mo bring gani the crown to the Tulay. Pero, I know nga, dili pa dyan time na ako. Dili pa dyan time sa Tulay nga makuha ang corona. So, maybe, kanang, in God's will, pohon.
Thank you so much! Pretty kikainday. Ano po tawag ko? Gusto ko ba sa Boys Town? Ayo, pwede mo na ma-interviewhon. Anyway, these are from the Boys Town. So, kasama yung gibati karon sa competition. Bawal hilak.
So, pwede ka nang, natino ka nang pulba ba kay, first and foremost kay, mga kontra kay Kwan, ka nang participants kay, gahay jod niya, Kwan, lisod, alamin na, pagka-presentation kay, nag-lisod pa may synchronize sa TV kay, first of all, kay, kung hangin bitaw, wala kay may endurance na, sa tinuoray niya, Kwan, amor jod kita nga, Kwan, nang, fight for our school.
It was a good fight, indeed.
Ako kay, nasayangan rami kay, idol mi sa judge ba niya, anak sila kay, kami jud daw din, ang Kwan lang kay, wala nga jud may glimpyo ba, moto.
Salamat! Congratulations! Good fight kayo! Thank you! Kasi wala ito na-interview doon. Ayaw, Mary Help! Tara, Mary Help! Excuse me, miss. Pwede ka na ma-interviewon? She is from Mary Help, which is our champion for today's competition. Hindi mo mga muglain. So, saan mo yung gibati karon sa competition?
Ang gibatis! Wala may ka-expect! May mara na! May hapon! Nag-hapon na dyan, may! Todlo sa among maasaya mo, todlo sa among si Miss Cabrera na ayaw jo give up, ayaw pag-expect, always be humble. Thank you, bye!
Congratulations, Mariel! Kato dito, target lock. Haris na ta sa ubod. Kamu interviewon. O saan mo rin mong ibati karon sa competition?
Okay, I feel good. Okay ra.
Congratulations ninyo, tubod. Guards wing next kay at Science High. Miss, excuse me, pwede ka na mo interviewon? Interview na to sila. Ano naman na? Apil mo diri. Tama na yung gibati karon sa competition.
Pati kanyag. Bigati yung kulba. Kasaman, happy jud kayo. Bawa mi lang. Yes.
Tama na.
From the judges.
Yes, basta ang among goal is malipay ra jud me.
Oh my God!
Thank you so much, girls. Congratulations. Hi! Ay, kada ako na interviewon. Teacher ni sa sa Boys Town. Asa man imong gibati karon sa competition? Nice ko siya tingog.
Ito, happy ko para nila even though wala sila na champion, but we're still grateful because agad po sila yung award.
Wow naman!
You did your best, boys, and thank you for your cooperation, your dedication for this municipal.
Thank you so much. So mo ang coach dai sa Tulay National High School. Asa man imong gibati karon sa competition, sir?
Mixed emotions kay of course compete me. Of course kung kita mo-compete, mo-goal kita sa gold. Naman dyan ay mga competitors na mas better pa namo. Hindi na malikayan. Happy gihapon kaya nakasunod mi sa 3rd place, nakamedalya pa ng mga bata. Outcome karon, winners medyo murag libog me, pero may verdict sa judges, may lang gusto nga para nila is winner. So congrats sa winner, Mary Help Christian School. Thank you.
Hey, thank you so much, sir. So, nahuman na gyud ang ato ang 3rd day sa municipal meet, #hip-hop competition. Thank you so much for the running of vlog. Hopefully, nalingaw mo and see you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!
Bye!